Happy Turkey Day, my loves. So it is Thanksgiving today, or Indigenous Peoples Day, or whatever it is you choose to call it. And I have a dinner to go to tomorrow. This year, for the first time, I am not making a full dinner. I'm not doing it because I am exhausted and because it also takes so many stores and it's just such a thing to be able to make this dinner that I just don't feel like doing it. With that being said, I will, however, still probably make my mac and cheese because I love mac and cheese. However, at the Thanksgiving party that I'm going to tomorrow, I was asked to bring the pumpkin pie. Now, for those of us who know, I am Black. I do not bring pumpkin pie. I bring sweet potato pie. So, I have my trusty recipe book here, and I have my mom's sweet potato pie recipe, and I'm going to make that. So, I'm going to show you everything, and then I'm going to start making. And I will share her sweet potato recipe, but just know, there are literally no measurements for this recipe. It's just, taste it. Taste it. And I was just like, okay. So, I'm going to make 2 pies. One's going to be for me. So that requires 3 to 4 sweet potatoes, she said. I, however, have exactly 4. So I have exactly 4 sweet potatoes. It requires nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla. So let me show you this, what vanilla extract looks like. I think I've talked about this with you before. So vanilla extract in this country comes in these little packets. She said, again, taste it. So because it comes in this little packet and I won't know how much I need, I'm gonna have 1.5 packets ready. I'll probably only need the half, but who knows. And then, hold on. When you have a teeny tiny kitchen, you gotta put everything back as you get it. It's half a lemon, some butter, eggs. I got my pie crust, salt. She said maple syrup, or you could do white sugar, but I'm gonna probably do the maple syrup since I have some, and brown sugar. Now, one thing I wanna note about the brown sugar. Brown sugar in this country, like finding what we know to be brown sugar, is like, let me see, what would be the best comparison? It's like hiking Mount Everest without oxygen, okay? So, I have been to 4 stores for 2 hours. I have been looking for brown sugar. Now, y'all see why I'm not making that Thanksgiving dinner, right? For 2 hours, I have been looking for brown sugar. I could not find what is exactly brown sugar. So instead, I bought this thing. This thing is called Mascobado. It has notes of vanilla, and caramel. It is a type of brown sugar, but apparently is going to make it taste a little bit caramelized. I feel like this would work for a pecan pie. I'm not so certain how this is going to work for a sweet potato pie, but we all know I don't care. We know that, right? Because Adriel spent 2 hours. 2 hours. It's 3:10 right now, okay? It's 3:10 right now. I left French class at 11:30. I started looking for stuff at noon, okay? So 2.5, 3 hours looking for this. This is all I could find. I went to 4 stores and this was the same thing. So finally I bought it at the last one and just gave up. So as a result, we'll see. And then the pie crust, let me show you the little pie crust. This is one of the things I really miss about the US, is being able to buy the pie crust already in the things. But instead, we buy them like this in these rolls and you have to unwrap it. So I hope my pie pans are big enough for what I'm about to do. I actually thought I had more sweet potatoes, so I hope these 4 will suffice for making 2 pies. And if I get to the point where I'm doing it and they don't, I'm gonna go downstairs and buy another sweet potato, which will probably cost the same amount as all of these sweet potatoes altogether. So, with that said, on y va. Oh my gosh, this pie is so good, Mom. It's so good.